Okay, the question is, if I don't have a 3D printer, can the kids still go through the program? And the answer is absolutely yes. So the kids can go through the program without a 3D printer. And I'm going to show you really quickly how and what to expect. So you'll see when you open the file, you'll see this as your i3 Craves Launchpad. We have just changed the name of the curriculum to i3D Design 1. So it's now i3D Design 1, but this is what you'll see. So when you come in, you'll see the table of contents is the first thing. These are all hyperactive links, which will take you directly to that chapter. And so in chapter 1, I outlined the basics and how to download and navigate through the free 3D design software. So you'll navigate through the software. Then the following 8 chapters outline every single command in the entire toolbox. And if you ever need to know exactly how one command works, it's all in there with videos and step-by-step pictures that I've tried to make it really simple. So I'll give you a quick peek. So here I have chapter 2, primitives. We see at where it is on the tool set. So it's the primitives toolbox. I cover every one of these commands in this chapter, and I start with a video. So this video outlines every command. So it will open in a web browser just because the files are too big to send the movies in the file. So you'll come here, you'll see I try to make it really simple, really easy to go through. I outline all of the geometry that the kids need to know. I try to make it extremely, extremely easy for them to understand. And so then if we go back to the top, we then see 10 lessons at the bottom that they can actually design things. So we have a spinning top lesson, we have the car lesson, the rocket lesson, Minecraft sword lesson. So again, if you click on it, it'll take you directly there. A video that outlines it, and then step-by-step instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've tried to make it so they can just cross them off and go step by step. And so yeah, so you can do the program without a printer, but if you want things printed and you don't have a printer, you can come to, there's 2 different platforms I'm going to talk about. And the first one is 3D Hubs. So 3D Hubs connects you with a 3D printer in your neighborhood, in your community, so that you can simply come here, you can go to start a 3D print. You'll see a big upload button in the middle here. If I go like this, you'll see this when you come in. What you can do is drag the STL files, which you'll export out of the design software. You'll export the STL and upload it to this service. When it comes in here, it will automatically tell you how much it's going to cost to print in your community. So it automatically tells you the prices, which is pretty awesome. And so it'll tell you how long till they can get started. They'll tell you what kind of printer they're printing on, what kind of materials they can print. And then even if you click into it, they'll tell you the materials. You can choose your colors that they have available and a delivery or postal service. So that's pretty awesome. So that's one way to do it. It can get printed in your community. The other way is if you come to i3dcreatives.com. If you come to i3dcreatives.com, you will see an upload button, your i3D printing service. So if you click on that printing button, it will automatically take you to a service that will print your design and ship it directly to your door. So I'm working with Sculptio here, and what happens is you upload a design and they'll ship it directly to you. So, whoa, how did I get here? What I want to show you is the materials, and then that will be it. So these are the materials that they'll print it in. They'll print it in their factory and ship it to your door. So plastic, sterling silver, brass, resin, alumide, ceramics, multiple colors. So they'll print it and send it directly to you. So that's another way for you to get it done. So the question was, can I get started without a 3D printer? And the answer is absolutely yes. So until next time, I'll talk to you soon.